Good day, guys. Happy weekend to you all. So I create this birthday flyer for a client. So I want to show us how we can quickly create this using this text effect perfectly like this. And you can see that the text effect, I use it for the name as well. We have an happy birthday, Janet. So I want to walk us through how we can create something of this effortlessly without stressing ourselves. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing I want to show us is we use the AI. Whisk AI, you can get their app, and this is where I got this journey. And what I did was that I went to my Pinterest, then download all these. I went to Pinterest like this, then I download all these. The text effect. So after downloading them, then I crop it. So you can see the original. This is the original text effect I downloaded. You can see this pinky. So what I did was that immediately you upload it on the Whiskey, which is FXAI. So it will bring up the write-up that make up this particular 3D effect where the name Pinky was there. So I changed the name Pinky to the name I actually wanted, like a Janet, you see. So I went directly still look at it. Is there any place where the Jenny was appear? So I see they describe the A there. So I will replace it with Janet. Okay. So what I did was that after tapping that, then I tap on the original design, then I went there and tap run it. So it will be loading. So in no time it will give me exact name that I actually wanted. You can see the two name that I got from that, and that is how I got used. You see the birthday, the happy. I did the same thing one after the other, so you can see the result now. So you just tap here, you see the result here, and you tap on download. So automatically it will download and give us the result, and that is how I got the journey. So after that I went to photo room. So I went to photo room, and then I removed the background directly. And what I do was that I just import the designer generator, then I run the remove the background like this, then I apply the shadow to make it stay firmly, and that is just the process of how that was done. So let's quickly started so that I'll walk you through that process. So I import the background, which is initial. Then I do the first thing, and this background, as you can see, was generated using the whisk as well. Okay, and it was after the enhance it's sharper than the previous one. So after that has been done, then I import the image and I put the gradient over it. So this is the image I use, and when you look at this image, this is not the color of the cloth there, but I change that color to purple, touch of purple, using the whisk application as well. So after that has been done, I brought this gradient icon, which I position on top of it. Then I have the host of being locked. So the next thing now is to bring the text effect, which I've already meshed together with the shadow. Then I position it under this. So I have this between being locked. So the next thing you do now is having this particular shape, just crop it, not too big, not too small. So after that I will change the color to, so let's say the deeper one. So let's say we have the deeper one. Okay, so after that we look at it critically. Hope it's not much. So after that I will now reposition this towards the center. So having this, then centralize it. So I guess it is being centralized. Okay, so after that we copy and we'll reposition this as well. So I'm going to change the whole color one after the other. So let's have it like this. Okay, perfect. So what I'm going to do next is shift the 2 at the right side towards the left, then merge the 3 together and centralize. Okay, after that has been done, I will have the color being changed to this. Select a touch of this while I change this to a kind of orange. Okay, perfect. So now that I'm able to do that, so the next thing that I'm going to do is close it up a little bit, and that is exactly what I did here. So after closing it up, then I put I've already wished the celebrant happy birthday Janet. So I will go to text area and I put a kind of wishing good life, wishing you good life in good health and happiness. So after that, I can go in there and I use multi-serif fonts, and that will be cool. Multi-serif semi-bold. Then I will reduce the size very well. Now position it here, not exceed and not too short. So reposition. So we can go to spacing the alphabet a bit for easy readability. Then reposition to center. Cool. Then I will change the color to offset of white as well, but not really purple. So cool, we are good to go. So the next thing I'm going to do next is going to the text area where we have a birthday celebration or birthday blessing. Birthday blessing. So we're going to the text area, change the text to multi-serif bold, reduce the size very well, let there be more spacing between the alphabets. So now reposition that to the center and plumb, we're good to go. So you can shift it up a bit. So what we're going to do next is to go to shape, have this particular shape, select the orange and reduce the opacity. Select the orange and go to opacity, reduce the opacity. So let's say to 24. Now use the relative position to center. Now we're going to crop another shape like this. So now we're going to leave that a kind of a gradient, blending the two purple together. So now reposition it to center. Okay, perfect. So we can still reduce the size more. So make sure it's centralized. So after the centralization, we now move the whole design towards the left where we want to bury the work. So we do that here. So we got which I guess cool. So now we put in the text stuff. So copy this where we have 15th. Okay, so we'll go to the space and cancel it. Now reposition this toward the center, increase the size a bit. Now reposition it here. Almost done. So after that we can now copy, then we'll put December. So having December reposition to the center, shift it a bit and draw it down a bit. Okay, perfect. So now shift the 2 towards the right. Okay, cool. So now that everything has been done, we're good to go, and you can see what we created in less than 10 minutes. Creating this birthday flyer. All about designing is knowing what you do and how to do it best, and get the tools you needed and learn from experts. Thanks for watching, guys. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to turn on the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I update my channel with amazing video like this. Comment, share on your way back, and this will serve as a kind of encouragement to push me do more. See you in the next class. God bless you.